Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Rania Andjani, and I'm a college student of Business Management in ESQBS Business School. And my student number is 18 10 11 0048. And this nice occasion, I want to share about what is strategic management. What is strategic management? Strategic management is the art and science of arranging or implementing management decisions that are applied to develop the company's strength in capturing business opportunity that focus on achieving organizational or company goals that have been set according to the vision and mission. Why do we have to use strategic management? Because if we want to be an entrepreneur, we must already have goals or objectives that our company or business want to achieve. With strategic management, it becomes easier for us to achieve these goals. An example is where we are or where our business is going or running, both short or long term. We can also anticipate changes that may occur both internally and externally. And also the company becomes more effective and efficient. Of course, the strategic management must have been implemented when we already have a company vision and mission, because strategic management can influence a system or culture that exists in the company. If we see very large of company are late in implementing strategic management and ultimately cannot maintain their existence again, and the various change that occur or they cannot be sustained. Strategic management itself can be applied in every organization or company to achieve the goals by the set of the company. Strategic management is usually prepared by the board of directors and carried out by the CEO and executive team in the organizations. The strategic management have three processes. The first is formulating of strategy, namely the process of making decisions to establish a strategy from the start until the goals or vision and mission in the company are achieved. They formulate a strategy, namely an effective and efficient long-term planning development process through an analysis of business opportunities as well as threat from the environment. The implementation, namely applying all strategy or policies that have been made to achieve the company's vision and mission. And the last one is evaluation, which is to see and measure company performance and determine what corrective action should be taken. This evaluation stage is needed to examine the success or failure of the strategies that have corporate strategy. The first is directional strategy, there is a decision that can be chosen: growth, stability, or retrenchment. And the second is portfolio strategy, see which one is superior, BCE, key metrics, or etc. And the third is parenting strategy, business management paying attention to development and cultivation of distinctive capabilities that give companies a competitive advantage. The company I was choose is McDonald's. You know about McDonald's? McDonald's so popular in this world, right? And the business strategy of McDonald's is the first is forward integration. What is forward integration? Future integration relates to effort that gain more ownership or control over distributors and retailers, like franchising. And McDonald's also applies a franchise system. And the second, what is McDonald's strategy management is backward integration. What is backward integration? Backward integration is an effort to own or increase control over the company's supplier. Here, McDonald's implementation the integration of its backward by acquiring a paper cup manufacturer, because food needs drinks and drink also need glass. That's why McDonald's acquired a paper cup for manufacture. Horizontal integration for third. Horizontal integration is an effort to own or increase control over competitors. And the fourth is market penetration. Market penetration can mean a way to increase market share for a product or service currently in the market through greater marketing efforts. Here are McDonald's marketing efforts. In McDonald's have a different menus in different countries. As a new arrival McDonald's flavor in Indonesia there is a kue jadul McFlurry and teh botol McFlurry. And then market development. What is market development? Market development is a process of introduction current product. And then market development. Market development is the process of introducing a current products or service to new geographic areas. In the process of introducing McDonald's, there are various strategies as follows: changing the menu in several countries, adding some foods with local flavors, and eliminating some unpopular foods. If you know, McDonald's have a different menu in Indonesia that you never find in other countries. And then product development. Product development is an effort to increase sales by improving current product or service or developing new products or service. And the seven is diversification relate. Relate diversification is the process of developing the new products, but old products are still related to new product. Here in the implementation, McDonald's collaborate with third beverage company. Like we know about McDonald's have a collaborate with some of beverage company like teh botol, Coca-Cola, and then Kit Kat, so Oreo, and many beverage. Thank you Bunda Leli, all of my friends, and all of you who watch this video. I hope you can understand about strategy management and you will implement in your business too. And see you to the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.